What is going on, Node Army? Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be talking about the Strongblock Litepaper, guys. This is an insane day. Loads of cool new features and cool new things for us to look out for. There was a roadmap that was announced, some info on what's going to be happening with the Strong chain, a new token called Stronger. Yeah, Stronger. So it's pretty interesting, right? We have a lot of things going on here. So guys, in this video, make sure you stick around to the end. And we're going to talk about a lot of things going on with Strongblock, Strong nodes. You guys know the drill. If you guys don't, for whatever reason, don't know what this project is all about, go check out my other videos. I have loads of videos talking about Strongblock and Strong nodes as well. So go check those out. But today, let's talk about what has happened. And I'm like a couple hours late, so just cut me a little slack, but yeah, let's take a look at it, guys. So to start off, Strong is actually pumping up 12% right now, about $270. So one node makes about just $27, a little less than that, but $27 with one node, and that's US dollars. The whole market is pretty much doing well right now. So again, this could be because of, you know, Bitcoin just rallying up to 43K, or it could also be from the news that went on. So this is actually a tweet from Strong Dragons NFT, which, guys, this is actually an NFT project giving out loads of Strong nodes. I'll talk more a bit about them later on in the video, but links are down below. So this is the Strongblock 2022 roadmap. So this is a Q1, this is Q4. We don't really have any dates in between, but we can see this will be regularly updated, revised, or removed based on technical, market, and financial factors. Okay, so new token, Stronger transition, new feature, entangled nodes, ooh, an entanglement, new feature, sizable nodes, and I believe sizable nodes is like the fractional nodes. David Moss did say, you know, when you have fractional ownership in something, that means multiple people own the same thing. But I believe what they're looking to do is not have multiple people own the same thing, but just have different size nodes for different people. So we do know that David Moss said that we want to have a node that only costs one Strong token. And guys, wow, not financial advice, but now is a insane time to load the boat. Who remembers when this thing was trading at about $1,000 and this thing would not go down? It was just constantly pumping. Yeah, I remember those days too. So another thing is node migration, which is insane, as well as node transfer. So you can actually send nodes across, which is going to be absolutely huge. And I think that's going to be a huge game changer for Strongblock. It's going to be interesting to see how they do that. Now, new protocols as well. They want to have Phantom actually join. And we all know, guys, Phantom is starting to become more and more popular. A lot of people are starting to use them as well. Now, I'm not going to go into the debate of what blockchain is the best, but, you know, the more protocols, the better. Now, another new feature is the node marketplace. Okay, so we're gonna hopefully see what that's all about. The next AMA is probably going to be packed, and I mean packed, with information. You guys know I'll be making a video, an AMA recap whenever that happens, so make sure you guys are subscribed with that notification bell on the ding, so you guys can, I guess, get info on that. Another thing, guys, in the comments down below so far, let me know what you guys think about this update, the new roadmap, and like I said, we're going to get into the Litepaper in a bit, guys. It's going to be a bit of a longer video than usual, but there's so much info in here, and I'm going to try and break it down, making sure it's concise, clear, and to the point. Okay, so moving forward, the new chain is the Strong Chain Pilot, and we're going to talk about that. There's a lot of info on that, guys. That's going to be very, very huge, especially for sustainability, and especially for the future of Strong. So they also obviously want to launch the new chain. Then on the new chain, they want to make a decentralized exchange, and as well as the ERC20 bridge. So guys, this is huge, because when we have a new chain, usually when there's a decentralized exchange, these new, I guess, coins or whatever you want to call them, projects built on new chains, they need liquidity. And when you need liquidity, you usually have a liquidity pair. So for example, just to explain this to you guys, I guess, like, very simply, there is the Binance Smart Chain, right? And about like last year, literally around this time last year, we saw BNB have a crazy massive run up simply due to the fact that there was an exchange called PancakeSwap. And if you wanted to launch your own coin on the Binance Smart Chain, you needed to provide liquidity in your own token as well as in BNB. Now, this creates a supply shock, because when you provide liquidity, that is just there for the token. Now, you can assume when there is obviously a limited supply and a lot of people are providing liquidity, there is a supply shock. And again, on my Twitter, which you guys definitely need to go follow, link down below, I did actually tweet about this and said, hey, what's going to happen if you are able to make projects on the Strong chain and you have to provide liquidity? Now, we're going to talk more about the new token and how that kind of all ties in together, because they are going to both coexist, right? There's going to be the strong token, and we already talked about in this video, there's going to be the stronger token, right? So if you're strong, you got to be stronger, okay? So we're going to talk about that as well. Now, there's also going to be an ERC20 bridge. So this is probably just to bridge all your Ethereum assets over onto the strong chain. Should be interesting as well. And the new chain, the node as a service migration, okay? So let's take a look at their GitHub right now. One, I wish there was dark mode because it's burning my eyes. But two, we're going to go over, I guess, a few main things that I really like. And then also shout out to this guy on Twitter, Rodrigo A to Z. We're going to go over some of his tweets as well because he had some nice takeaways. I think it's just a lot more cleaner to look at it in that way as opposed to on GitHub. And guys, like I literally searched up GitHub dark mode and I couldn't figure it out. So yeah, my eyes are going to burn. But hey, we're in it together. So introduction, basically as in this part of it, they're just talking about what Strong did in 2021. I will quickly go over it. So in January, they started off with 3.1k nodes. Then they had their metal NFT, so the bronze NFT integration, then silver, gold, and platinum. Then they sold out their NFTs. If anyone knows that reference, hey, if you know, you know. New protocol, Sentinel DVPN. Then the new contract was Service V2. Then another new protocol, which was Polygon. Then the wallet holders over 28k. Then the new pool, ETH 2.0 validators and staking. Who remembers when they launched just staking? That was pretty cool. Then they do their weekly NFT lotteries, which is super cool. And now they have over 200k nodes. Okay, so that's pretty much what they did in 2021. Pretty impressive if you ask me. Now, in this part of it, guys, we pretty much talk about, you know, the blockchains and the problems, and obviously a high gas cost. Sustainability is obviously a problem. And they talk about their experiments that they did. So they did an ETH 2.0 pool. They also did some tapering with the Polygon nodes, which we all know about as well. And then the validator rewards. So they pretty much tried out a bunch of things, right? And now the solution is stronger and strong chain. So again, just to highlight a few things here, guys, I'm not going to go through everything, but if you guys do want to read it, there will be a link posted in the Strong Dragons Discord, as well as if you guys just go on Twitter, you guys can find it. It's not that hard to find. But pretty much, the strong chain solves two immediate problems for the Strongblock community: high gas costs and rewards sustainability. Starting with that strong entry point, a new economic layer can then be opened up, which the community can fully participate in and benefit from. Okay, so very, very cool right there. So we have concluded that launching strong chain will move the community closer to sustainability than any other action. With Strong Chain, it will be much easier to expand into short and long-term features. Okay, so how Strong Chain democratizes validation. I'm not going to go read through that, but you guys can go take a look. How Strong Chain brings value back to the community. Again, literally, we're not going to go through the whole thing, but we've created Strong Chain as a dedicated purpose-built blockchain that exists initially as a tool to return value back to the community, the means to support all of that ecosystem and the community relies on for value that is currently in play, and an architecture that allows it to be a launch pad for future feature sets that are logical expansions and growth paths, right? A bunch of big words here. The path to long-term liquidity and sustainability as well. So Strong Chain nodes will support Strong Chain. Strongblock will continue to add and support new protocols going forward. Okay, so Strong Chain community first, tokenomics. So stronger facts and definition. So stronger is the new ERC20 token at first mint. When the Strong Chain launches, stronger will convert to a native token with ERC20 liquidity and Ethereum and other layer 1 and layer 2 bridges for seamless liquidity and interoperability. That's another big word. So Strong Chain will be a community-owned chain. The majority of stronger tokens have been set aside for the community with no additional team and shareholder tokens. Okay, so we can see here the decimals, all this stuff right here. Here's the tokenomics, right? So 10% goes to community DApp grants, 30% goes to current strong holders. So guys, if you are involved in DeFi, you probably know about Time Wonderland as well. We all know that they had an airdrop for their BSGG or whatever, and that was an absolute, for lack of better words, shit show. People literally just got like $17 and they were holding insane amounts. It's going to be very interesting to see how this goes, because it's looking like we're either going to be, if you're a strong holder or you have a node, you're going to be either airdropped a token or there's going to be some sort of way where you can claim your token. So that's what it's kind of looking like. Again, I'm sure in the AMA there will be much more info. If anyone actually does have that info, let me know in the comments down below, because it'll be great. I'll pin it as well. So they also have their liquidity, the marketing and validator rewards, and node rewards as well. So phases for distribution and transition. So phase 1, easy DeFi dApp with rewards completed. So top 5 most used dApps on the Ethereum mainnet based on gas. More daily transaction than most blockchains. Pioneered a new category, infrastructure DeFi. Then service 2 smart contract with tapering model. Okay, so Again, they've already done this. Now, phase 2, transition to Stronger. So issue a new mint/burn token, which is Stronger. Transition the node as a service, dApp, and the Strongblock community to Stronger. Having Strong will make you stronger. Again, interesting. So it's looking like if you have strong tokens, you're stronger. You'll get more stronger. That just sounds so funny to say, but like, yeah, like if you're strong, you're gonna get stronger. What does it? No, I'm kidding. All current strongholders will be awarded Stronger as well. So very cool. Now, nodes will have the highest Stronger award percentage. Okay, pool holders will receive the next highest Stronger award percentage. Anyone holding Strong in a wallet will receive a Stronger award. Now, a lot of people on Twitter were kind of questioning. They're like, hey, does this mean if it's in your wallet, you just haven't claimed it yet, that counts? Or do you actually have to claim your Strong and it has to be sitting in your wallet? Now, again, we're not too sure about that. I'm sure we'll get answers on the next AMA. Probably there's already answers in the Discord. I just haven't had time to literally like scan and screen through everything. But obviously, guys, I'll make more videos if I need to. So metal NFTs as well. All metal NFTs will retain their boost value. Metal NFT holders will receive a Stronger award. Metal NFTs will also be a component of Strong Chain. Very, very, very cool. Okay, now, whew, guys, we're going pretty quick on this. Okay, so phase 3, launch Strong Chain and migrate the dApp, so the decentralized app. So launch Strong Chain with Stronger, migrate node as a service dApp, open up new economic layers, percentage of fees directly to community validators and stakers, expand and host infrastructure DeFi, marketplace for nodes, NFTs, and more. And a document with detailed information will be published prior to launch. Okay, so guys, I want you to let me know, because we already covered so much. This is a lot, guys. This is some groundbreaking stuff. We all know there's all these talks about, oh, what node is better? Strong, Thor, Comb, this, that, whatever. And guys, like, a lot of people are saying, hey, Strong is the OG. And listen, I'm not a Strong maxi. I don't think you should only invest in one project. But again, in my opinion, I think there's a very clear winner here. And if we're talking about long-term sustainability, again, hey, yeah, you guys can debate in the comments. Let me know what you guys think, all right? Now, the future of Strong, since it's minting of 10 million tokens in August, obviously Strong has been doing double duty as both a utility and governance token. So the introduction of Stronger creates an opportunity for Strong to be used for scarce rewards that will be harder to achieve. There is also the potential for Strong to be a governance component for Strong Chain used in dual token validation and other models, though this will require community deliberation. Strong and Stronger will continue to coexist. Strong will simply become much harder to earn and therefore much more valuable, guys. So guys, if you're not compounding right now, I don't know what to tell you. If you guys are cashing out your Strong rewards right now, you guys need to read this Litepaper and double check and see if that's the right thing you want to do. Now, like I said, not financial advice, but I'm going to be compounding, baby. I'm trying to get all the nodes, okay? I'm trying to get as many nodes as I can. So team and shareholders Strong. So this is what made me pretty interested in this too. So we can see the Strongblock team and the shareholders and whatever, right? So as a major vote of confidence in Stronger and Strong Chain, Strongblock team and shareholders have agreed to directly transfer 100,000 Strong from Strongblock team and Strongblock shareholders' wallets, so 50,000 Strong each, to the Strongblock community wallet, which is nuts, guys. So let's take a look at how much that is in actual dollar amount. So 100K Strong, that's, Jesus Christ, that's like what, that's a pretty big number. What I say was, it was 100K Strong. So let's actually take a look at that. That is quite interesting. 100K. So that's, Jesus Christ, what is that? Like 2.123. So that's $27 million worth of Strong that's just been put into the community wallet. They're just like, hey, you know what? Go ahead, take it. So again, that says a lot too. So Rodrigo, my friend, it looks like we've already covered a lot of the things, but this is a recap, right? We talked about the tapering continued. We talked about the tokenomics, right? Again, shout out to Rodrigo for putting this, but nodes will have the highest Stronger award percentage. Pool holders will receive the next Stronger one, and anyone holding Strong will receive a Stronger reward as well. We talked about the NFTs, we talked about the Strong Chain, we talked about Strong in general, and yeah, guys, honestly, I think I did a pretty good job of covering everything, okay? So guys, before I actually outro this video, I do want to say, guys, for Strong nodes, if you guys actually are interested in getting Strong nodes and you guys want to actually gamify Strong nodes, I'm launching an NFT project, which again, you'll find all the links down below. I'm giving out a bunch of Strong tokens. I've already given away about 4 or 5 Strong tokens, literally just to community members, and I haven't asked for anything in return. This is a community built project. Tomorrow, we're going to be doing an Ask Me Anything. All the links are down below, so you guys can go and check that out. Pretty much, guys, you hold an NFT. Every week, we'll be randomly drawing winners to win a whole Strong node. The NFT is going to cost literally nothing compared to the price of a node, probably less than one actual strong token. So if you guys are interested, like I said, the links will be down below. It's a project I've been working on super hard. We have a pretty strong team, pretty stronger team. But yeah, guys, go check that out. So guys, before we end off, I want to say in the comments down below, let me know what you guys think about the new strong light paper. What do you guys think about all this new info? Are you bullish? Are you bearish? If you're bearish, why? If you're bullish, I totally get you. And let me know how much strong you guys just bought, how many nodes you guys just bought. So yeah, that's it for now. Leave a like, all that good stuff. And until next time, guys, remember, stay seeking success.